I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic lemonade. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 organic lemons, which should yield roughly 1 cup of fresh juice. We'll also use 1 cup of organic cane sugar and 4 cups of filtered water. Don't forget a small pinch of sea salt. It really helps to brighten the flavors in your lemonade. These simple components are the foundation for a truly refreshing drink. Our next step is to create a simple syrup, which ensures your lemonade is perfectly sweetened without any grainy texture. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of organic cane sugar with 1 cup of filtered water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial not to boil it vigorously. Once clear, remove it from the heat and allow the syrup to cool down to room temperature before proceeding. Now it's time for the star ingredient, the lemons. Juice your 6 to 8 organic lemons. You should aim for approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Make sure to strain the juice to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a smooth lemonade. In a large pitcher, combine your freshly squeezed and strained lemon juice with the cooled simple syrup. Then, add the remaining 3 cups of filtered water. Stir everything together very well to ensure it's thoroughly combined. Your organic lemonade is almost ready. Before serving, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the sweetness or tartness to your personal preference by adding a little more water or a touch more syrup. Pour it over plenty of ice cubes to get it perfectly chilled. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Any leftover lemonade can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade refreshment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.